and we are now back live. So again, we'll start our stream for the second time around here, and yes, we are back. All right, so back to our topic earlier. This is a quote from the trading famous traders actually, and we have here win or lose, everybody gets what they want from the market. Some people seem to like to lose, so they win by losing money. That's kind of interesting. And how does the recent happenings affect the market today? Can you still be a successful trader despite of all the issues in the market? And today we will be sharing some interesting things you've never heard of. Welcome to Trading Star. And how's everybody today? I hope you guys hi, hello. Good day to you, Tony Tan. Welcome to our live stream today. So how's everybody today? Hope you are having a good day. And I hope that we can not only catch your attention, but you can also focus and listen to our live stream today. So we have here. We're currently we have 9 viewers right now. Hello, good day to you. Also hello to Robin. No, I said Robin. All right, so please guide me. Yes, we are going. I'm going to give you some amazing tips today. The keys for you to be a successful trader. So anyway, if you have something to share with us, don't hesitate to comment down on our chat room. You can also ask some questions and give me some time, and I'll be answering those questions. All right. So for today, we will we'll tackle our key points today in our live stream. And hello, Bill Wong. Hello, you beautiful trader. Hello to Tao Chiu. Good day to you guys. Welcome to our stream today. Okay, so let's go back to our key points for today. All right, so we have two topics today, and we have here our weekly news recap. So I will be giving you a quick news report today, and my comments or insights about this, and let me know if what are your comments about what's happening in the market today, or about the news that I'm going to share to you guys today. And also we are going to tackle about the tips for being a successful trader, or you can how can you be a successful in trading. All right, so we have 4 key points for this one. So first is a clear understanding of market trends and conditions. Second is the risk management skills, or having some risk management skills. Third is the patience and discipline in trading. And last but not the least, the mental and the emotional control when it comes to trading. So before I start, what is your insight about this topic for today? Why are you interested on this our topic for today's live stream? So you can just comment it down below there. All right, so let's go back, and here we go. So for our weekly news recap, so for the reason, if you followed the pages of Trading Star on TikTok and here also on YouTube, you can watch our previous daily report, and this is a summarized version of this one. And now for a Trading Star news recap. So right now, Israel-Hamas conflict greatly affects the global equity market and safe haven assets, which is the gold and the USD. And one instance, as known by many, Middle East is a significant contributor to global oil supplies. Any uncertainty in the region, like Israel and Hamas conflict, can lead to price hikes due to high potential of supply disruptions. Same thing goes to gold and USD, or US dollars. And moving forward, due to the increasing tension between these two nations, investors and fund managers need to strategize on where or when to invest their funds and assets. So if you want to be a successful trader, you really want to know where and when to invest your monies, and what are the trades, or maybe the keys for you to be a successful trader, especially in the season where we are having some issues in our market today because of the Israel-Hamas conflict. So, what may I know what are your comments about our news today, and what can you say? Why is it affecting our market, or maybe how it's already affecting you as a trader. So just comment it down below on our comment section or our chat room there. All right, so again, welcome again to our live stream, and today we are going to tackle now our topic for today. So today I will be giving some tips or some keys on successful trading or how to be a successful trader. So going back, I already mentioned that I have four keys or four tips here. First is a clear understanding of the market trends and conditions. Second is having a risk management skill. Third is patience and discipline in trading, and last but not the least, mental and control when it comes to trading. Mental and emotional control. I'm sorry. All right, so going back. All right, so let's tackle our first tip. So this is our first tip, which is a clear understanding on market trends and conditions. So first on our list is a trader should have this clear understanding when it comes to the market trends or conditions. So it is important for us, especially if you are a trader, if you are you're already a trader, you really need to understand this abilities. If you are a trader, you need to have this ability to understand the current trend and conditions in the market. Analyzing market trends and conditions is a key to adapting and changing your business, keeping current and ahead of the industry, and last for continual growth. It is important for your business to identify these trends and conditions that is currently happening in the market. So also we have this points that we need to focus on if we are going to focus on, or we want to understand how the market trends or conditions works. All right, so here we have first we need to keep track of industry influencers and publications. For examples, the famous or the active traders now who is already known in the full in the market, or maybe in the economy. So it is important for you to know what is their move, because sometimes it's already affecting the market trading market today. And next is you need to absorb up-to-date industry research and trends reports like sponge. So why is it like sponge? Because you need to absorb everything. Because if you didn't absorb everything, or you didn't absorb each research or trends, you won't be able to catch up on the current trend or current condition in the market. It is really important for you to catch up on this one, because it will definitely affect not only your business but also your plans when it comes to trading. Next is make the most of digital tools and analytics to assess industry behavior. So just like yesterday, if you already watch our live stream here on Trading Star YouTube channel, yesterday we have our technical guy who's currently using a digital tool or analytics tool for the trading, for us to track the current move of the trading market. He used a trading view, and actually there are lots of digital tools and analytic tools to check the status of the trading market today. So since we are now currently at the digital era or technology era, it's easier for us to track these the trends and the conditions of the market. And especially if we have time, especially for a trader or a business minded person like you, you will use these medium for you to understand and for you to catch up on the daily happenings when it comes to the business world, when it comes to the trading world, and so on and so forth. All right, so next is you need to listen to your customers. They said all the customers is always right. Why? Because they are your consumers, and they will definitely, if you have something to sell, you have something to sell, your consumers or your customers will buy. So sometimes we need to listen to their opinions, and we can get some ideas from it. Okay, next is competitor observation. So this is really important. You need to identify the strength and the weaknesses of your competitors. Why? It is for you to upgrade your business, or maybe your plans, or maybe your future trades. It might affect your future trades. So it is your you have this what can we call this you have this ability you should have this ability to identify their strengths and their weaknesses for you to adapt, and you can change your business, and you can keep current and ahead of the industry, and your continual growth for your plans, and not only for your plans but also for your business will arise. All right, so next we have here, aside from the market trends, is we also need to have the clear understanding when it comes to market conditions. All right, so market conditions, just like what's happening right now. The current happening right now is the Israel-Hamas conflict is already affecting the trading markets. So here is where we need to understand the market conditions. So why understanding the market conditions important? Bottom line, you should take note of this, or maybe you should remember this one. We can identify potential opportunities. From the word itself, the opportunities itself, if you can identify the potential opportunities, it is a win-win situation for you and for your future plans. Why? It's because if you can identify the conditions related to the attractiveness of the overall market, it also tends to affect all the business and can help us understand the needs, preferences, behaviors of your target, as well as the strengths and weaknesses and the strategies of your competitors. If you already know how to identify these conditions, it's a good thing for you to step up your game, to step up your level when it comes to your trading plans, when it comes to your future plans, when it comes to your business plans. It will definitely help you to improve. All right. Oh, hello to Julius Gary. Very good tips. Thank you. I hope you appreciate this one. All right. Next, after if we already have this clear understanding when it comes to market trends and market conditions, we also need to have this risk management skills. Okay, so if you are already a trader, I hope I'm assuming that you're already a trader, so you really need a risk management skill. So maybe in our future streams we will be talking about this, how can we apply this risk management skills, how can we improve it. So at the future streams I will discuss it to you. All right, so second, a trader should have or should be familiar with risk management skills. So what is a risk management skill? This is the process of identifying and analyzing and responding to risk factors that may hinder your organizational objectives. If you don't have this risk management skills, if something from your business or something from your trading plans, or you had a problem with this one, it will be hard for you to manage it, or maybe it will definitely affect your organizational objectives, your plans, your plotted market trend. Okay, all right. So then, why is risk management skills, or why is having a risk management skill is important? All right. So if you are already familiar with this one, this is something that is really important. Not only in the business, but also on for our everyday plans. We should know how to manage risk. Okay, so here we have, if we have a risk management skills, it helps us, or maybe it helps a trader like you, to proactively identify and control the threats and vulnerabilities that can impact the organization negatively. So sometimes there are businesses who are currently hiring like public relations officers, or risk management officers, where they can professionally handle these things. But if you are a trader, you should also know how to handle risk at all costs. So, hoping in the future you still watch our live stream, I will be discussing this to you guys. All right, so what is the benefit or the convenience of having a risk management skill? All right, so let's tackle this one. I will give you some, okay, 8 tips for this one. So first, the first benefit we have here is it's easier for you to spot projects in trouble. If your plan is in trouble, and if you have a skillful risk management skill, you will definitely identify what is the problem in this project, what is the problem in this plan, how can I um how can i um how can I identify it in an easier way. So connected to this one, to the second benefit, no? We have here, it is if you this benefit of having a risk management skill is there will be fewer surprises. So you won't be surprised anymore. You will be able to handle the problems or the negative objectives, or maybe what affected our organization objectives negatively. You can definitely identify it. At the same time, you will handle it with a plan B, maybe like plan B, plan C, up to plan C. Imagine that if you are really prepared for this one, surprises won't be a surprise for you anymore. Or maybe there's a surprise, but still you can handle it at your own pace. All right, next is there is a better quality data for decision making. You know, later I will discuss you how does decision making affects your trading plans. All right. So next is communication is elevated. Communication is very important when it comes to all things. And if you are a trader, you need to communicate not only to yourself, but also to your clan, also to your business, and also to your co-traders. And not only that, also to your competitors. It is best for you to have a good communication skill, for you to identify, and not only identify, to manage and also to connect with people, and not only to people but also to your plans. All right, next is budget rely less on guesswork. And you know, you're a trader, you manage your money, and having a being a trader, it shapes our mind to manage our money better than the usual people who is currently managing their money, and they are really confused how they will set their budget on their business because they don't shape their mind that well. Okay, next is the team remains focused. Okay, so if you have a team, if you are a trader and you have a team, you should be a team player. You should know how to handle your own team, and you should know how to tell your team where to set their focus, where to set the plan, where to set all your business stability in the future. All right. So last but not the least is escalation are clearer and easier. From the word itself, the escalation should be clear and easier for you to understand. So those are the benefits of having a risk management skill. That one is a helpful one, right? All right. So next is, aside from having a clear understanding on market trends and conditions, and aside from having a good risk management skill, or having a risk management skill, it is important for you to know this one. You really need this if you want to be a successful trader. Being a successful trader requires patience and discipline in trading, because they said patience and discipline is a virtue that will benefit all the traders. Keeping your emotions and snap judgments in check. Because if you're going to have a decision that is not planned, or maybe it's just out of your emotions, maybe your whole future plan might be destroyed. So you should be careful enough when it comes to decision making, and you really need a long patience, and you should be disciplined enough when it comes to trading. All right, so first is the for the patience. Patience matters in trading because it allows a trader to make informed or rational decisions when it comes to trading. You know, when it comes to trading, you really need to use your mind, and not only that, your emotions shouldn't be affecting your business. And is there any of our viewers is currently or who experienced this kind of situation where you forgot to handle your this certain problem? You forgot to handle a certain problem with patience, like handling your business with a lot of patience will definitely help not only you mentally and emotionally, but also your business, the flow of your business, and also on how you connect with your business and the people around it. And how do you keep your patience in trading? So first is, here's how you can improve your patience in real time. All right, so first is the visualization. You need to visualize everything before making a step. You need to visualize everything before setting a plan. You know, visualizing your plans will prevent you from having a bigger problem in your trading plans in the future. Second, filters alerting you to best setups. Okay, all right. So if we say that it is alerting you to figure out those best setups, what can you say about that? Do we have any viewers who can comment about this one? All right, so we still don't have. Anyway, so I hope you're still listening to our stream right now. All right, so next is third, we need to talk to other traders about your finest moments in trading. Sometimes telling your inspiring stories about trading to the other traders might help you in the future. Not only that, you are already building connections, but also when you talk to other traders about your finest moments in trading, it's maybe there are people that when they tell or they talk about their finest moments in trading, they build confidence. They build their patience is stable and connected to this one. If you are if you already if you want to pursue your patience properly, and if you want to improve your patience in real time, you should create a roadmap before the open of your best opportunities. You need to set plans. You need to have a clear plans or clear roadmaps when it comes to your business. We have here, they said that trading more patiently is not hopeless for you because it requires ideas to solve the problem and sticking to your improvement plan. It's not your willpower in real time that is currently holding you back. It is the solutions that is waiting for you to design and not yet incorporated in your trading. And also, if we are going to talk about the patience, we have this you will get this part where you will talk to yourself that I want to take my trading to the next level. If I could just wait for my setups, or maybe if I could just stop taking lesser trades and define, we can also identify if I am or if you are a competitive trader. When a solution for you to improve your patience as a trader is when the discussion is fascinating, or maybe sometimes let's say let's put it in this way. A trader's success overcoming the real-time issue with culmination of excellent work before and after market hours. Success doesn't work overnight. and we need to wait. We need to have a clear set up of our, a clear mindset when it comes to this one. So it's like, this is my goal, and my goal won't work overnight. It's there will be always the before, during, and after. And also from our season, traders stress way too much about the real-time willpower. And yes, most of the traders, they are really stressed about this one, and their trade decisions is already affected, and miss that all of that is just a result of the excellent work and before and after markets. All right, so if you are having troubles when it comes to your patience, always remember to visualize. Always visualize your goals, visualize your plans, visualize your decisions before starting, or before making a decision that will definitely affect your plans in the future when it comes to trading. All right, so next is, we have here the discipline is the basis of any successful work, and trading is no exception. It is first of all following the principles of one's own trading strategy and risk management. All right, so this is where the discipline works. If you have a risk management skill, it requires not only patience but also discipline. So if we're going to talk about how do we discipline ourselves when it comes to trading, all right, so they have this 20 rules from the professional traders, and there are different trading strategies that will definitely affect, or that will require discipline for us to improve. Maintaining discipline is a vital for consistent and profitable trading. Trading is that trading is a matter of getting the law of average to your work favor. So if you are why do we need to understand that this discipline is needed, or discipline is needed when it comes to trading? Okay, so whether you like it or not, you should be disciplined enough to handle this kind of situations. All right, so here we go. Okay, so maintaining the discipline is a vital, as I mentioned earlier, it's a vital for consistent profitable trading. All right. So making an occasional winning trade, even when you throw your trading plan out of the window, may provide a short-term pleasure. But entering trades that can adversely influence your ability to maintain the discipline in the long term will affect your plans. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. As they say that it is not for those who wants to win in every trade, but for those who wants to win for a long-term period. All right. So when you stop following your trading plans, you become rewarded for lacking discipline. And you may start believing that abandoning a trading plan is no big deal. So if you think that your plans, or you abandon your plans, will definitely help you, no, it will bring you down. All right. So an unjustified reward may increase a tendency for you to abandon your trading plans in the future, and you may be prone to think that I was rewarded once, maybe I will be rewarded again. Stop that mindset. Taking a chance is not always getting a win-win situation. Taking that chance is not always 100% win, or taking that chance is you will be rewarded. Maybe you were rewarded once, but you will never know when will you get rewarded again in the future. And the positive outcomes of the disciplined trading are usually short-lived, and a lack of discipline ultimately produces a long-term trading losses. As I mentioned earlier, it doesn't mean that you were rewarded once, you will be rewarded again. Even if there are multiple chances, you should not you should not abandon your trading plan. It is really important because it will definitely affect your long-term trading losses. All right, so justified, we have this two justified, we have this two kind of winnings when it comes to um, trading discipline. No? And we have here is to distinguish the justified wins and the unjustified wins. For the justified wins, when you create a very detailed trading plan and you follow the plan, your win that results from following the trading plan is justified and reinforces discipline. This is where you will see yourself, oh, I need to follow this plan because I wanted this one. I need to follow this plan because this one is effective. I need to follow this plan because this is working for me. And this plan is the one that I need. So when you are disciplined enough to follow your plan, you will get it justified. And sometimes they told us that there are moments that if you followed your trading plans and you didn't abandon them, there are the chances of being rewarded will be higher. And on the other part, we have this unjustified win. So it occurs when you make a plan but you don't follow it. You know, there are some traders who didn't follow their trading plan. So we have for example, all right. So for example, we have this. Wait, I'm going to share you who are these traders who didn't follow their trading plans but became successful. But we don't encourage this one, but this is just an example. Okay, this is just an example for this one. All right, so okay, wait, I'll just get the details for this one so you will definitely know who they are. All right, so okay, all right, so number one is all right, so one is Jess Livermore. Okay, one is Jess Livermore, one of the most one of the legendary traders here in the trading industry. And you know, he is a legendary one because he has his own system. He didn't follow the usual or the common trading plans just like anyone else in the capital. And you know, Livermore traded his own traded his own money, his own funds, his own he has also his own system, he has his own plans, and he didn't follow the usual trading plans that is used by other traders, you know. But when we say that it's for example, Livermore achieved this unjustified win, if you have it's either you don't follow or if you have no plans at all, you might be rewarded, but the outcome occurred by chance. So the chance for this one, the winning chance for this trade is lower than the justified win. So let's say if you have a plan and you followed the plan, and your plans are if you're disciplined enough to follow your plan, your chances is chances of taking that risk, or your chances of winning to take that risk, upon taking that risk, is higher than the unjustified win where you don't have a plan or you don't follow the usual plan. You might be rewarded, but that is just like it's just a by chance reward. Okay, so you might as well, like, it's like a flip a coin or hang on a printed copy of your charts on the wall and throw darts at it to help you making a trading decisions. No, it shouldn't work like that. All right, so the win is just unjustified and can reinforce undisciplined trading. So maintaining discipline is vital for consistent and profitable trading, we said, because trading is a matter of getting the law of averages to work in your favor. And you need to trade, or you trade proven forex trading strategies over and over, so that across a series of trades or strategies work enough to produce the overall profit. It won't be affecting your profit at all if you have a clear plan, or if you are disciplined enough. and you really wanted to be a successful trader. It's like making a shot after shot in the basketball, and it's like for example, I am a famous NBA basketball player, and making this is an example for the unjustified win. Okay, it's like I'm making a shot, I'm making a half court shot out of nowhere. So it's like the chances that I will shoot that ball, I will get that win is the chances are lower. All right. So the more shots you take, the more likely you will amass points. They said. All right. And yes, in this one, the winning player is a person who first develops the skill to make that decision consistently, so that every possible opportunity, your plans will likely go through your goals. They've developed the skill to learn how to how like there are traders usually, they develop the skill where they can set their goals, and they can target their goals, they can achieve their goals in every single time. Sometimes consistency is crucial, but consistency is the key also. And it's the same for trading. You said one must trade consistently, they said, and following a specific trading plan on each and every single trade will definitely help you to be a successful trader. So if you trade one approach this time and a different approach at another time, your performance will be more likely haphazard. And we can't stress this enough. Following your plans, setting your goals, and if, for example, you have this goal today, you have this goal here, and you have this usual, for example, this is a road. There are two roads in front of you, and your goal is up there. Okay, so you have two roads to take. The left one is the usual road that you usually go through to go to your goal, and there is another one where you don't have any knowledge, or you don't have any ideas what's in there. So it's like a gamble on the other side. So if you already know, or if you have a plan on this side and this the left side, it is easier for you to get goal, because you already know how to work on it, how to prove yourself by setting. If you set your goal in this area, and you already know how to handle it, how to work for it, your performance will be better each time you do it. Not only that, if you were consistent and disciplined enough, it will help you to have a win-win situation. All right, so you have to allow your law of average to work in your favor, so that across a series of trades, you will make an overall profit. If you follow the plan sometimes and abandon it on other times, you throw off the probabilities, and you will most likely end up losing overall. And with trading, discipline comes profitability. Don't let the unjustified wins interfere with your ability to maintain your discipline. You should always follow on your trading plan, on your own trading plan, and your mindset is that if you follow your plan, you will end up more profitable in the long run. Now that we're done explaining how important a trading plan is, it's time for you to learn what should go inside a good trading plan with discipline. All right. So next is going back. If this trait is really important, you need patience and discipline when it comes to trading, because it will definitely affect, and it will not only affect, but the benefit of this for the traders is to keep their emotions and their not judgments in check. And in that way, we need our mental and emotional control when it comes to successful trading. So this is the last key point that we have here we have the mental and emotional control. So it is vital to control your emotions rather than let them interfere with you or with your trading decisions. Although emotions may interfere with discipline and sound decision making, they are not all powerful enough. Through awareness, one can master and control one's emotion. If you know how to control mental uh your mental reaction on your trading, and or maybe your emotions when it comes to your business or to your trading, your decision or your decision making moments will be better than if you don't know how to control it. If you know so just like what I mentioned earlier, if you are making decisions out of your emotions, and your emotions is very absurd or maybe unpredictable, you will definitely uh, see yourself or maybe see your plans going down like this. You know. So how do we mentally prepare ourselves for trading? Okay, so this time I'll be giving you some few tips on how we can start trading with a good mental state. So this can promote healthy well-being not only for yourself, but also it can eliminate the performance anxiety that could disrupt efficiency. All right. So again, before we continue, again, welcome again to our live stream here on Trading Star, and we are currently talking about the tips and keys on successful trading. So before we tackled about the clear understanding when it comes to the market conditions or market trends. Second is having a risk management skill, which we will tackle in the future. Third, the topic before this one is having a patience and a discipline in trading, which is really, really important, All right, so last but not the least is the mental and emotional control. All right, so first is for our mental state. Having a healthy well-being and eliminating the performance anxiety could could prevent us from disrupting the efficiency when it comes to trading. So okay, we have this. We have how many? I have. Okay, so I have 3 tips here. All right. So first is prepare your mantra. If you have any mantra to share, guys, I mean, you want to share with us, you can share it on our comment section, because like me, I want also to learn from you guys, and not only that, you can also learn from me too. All right. So first, so this is when you prepare your mantra for a strong mental health and motivation. Having a mantra is a great way for you to start a day of trading. Waking up in the morning, thinking of your mantra that I have this just like me. Whenever I think that I'll be having a hard time, I'll be going to have a hard time the whole day, I will always tell myself, whenever I wake up, I always tell myself that this is temporary. Eventually, it will get better. That is my daily mantra every day, because I want to see myself. Despite of I am still struggling or maybe challenging myself, I want to see myself successful at the end of the day, or maybe at least I've done something good for myself. All right. So again, if you have a strong mental health and your motivation is plotted and it's good, you're maybe to the positivity, and simple and effective. It may be simple and effective, but it is a positive form of self-talk. You always talk to yourself. It always minimizes the anxiousness and encourage us to have or to gain confidence. And if you don't have those, if you don't minimize your anxious, if you're being anxious today and you didn't encourage yourself enough to gain more confidence, it might affect your decisions. It might affect your plans. It might affect your performance. So it is important for you to start your day with a positive mind, and also see yourself in a positive side. Like for example, I have this problem today in trading. I can see the problems here. So I will divert the negativity into a positive one. I will start my day I will start my trading day with a positive mind. If I started with a positive mind and I focus on this one, it will definitely affect my trading plans, and the effect um, the effect will be a positive one also. And during unexpected losses and challenging trades, a mantra is an easy yet efficient way to focus. Okay, so do you have any mantras you want to share with us today? And yeah, just share it. Just share it on our chat room there. Here. All right. So anyway, before we proceed to our second tip, don't forget to subscribe to Trading Star channel, and also share this also to your trader friends. All right. Next is positive imagery. Traders can imagine successful trades in the past to boost confidence and determination. Just like what I mentioned earlier, you need to visualize everything. You need to visualize everything in a positive manner. It should be a positive one, not a negative one. For example, you have this plan today that a year from now, I will be gaining a 7-digit income in just one day. It's just like that. You are setting goals. At the same time you are visualizing that you will be successful. You need to visualize that you will win in this season. You will visualize that your plans will work in the future. Maybe not now, but maybe in the future, maybe tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, or maybe the best timing that you need your plans to be set. All right, so to break the habit of negative thinking, okay, this one is important. It is helpful to practice visualizing the positive rather than discouraging your thoughts. For example, if you lost in a trade, don't ever think that, oh, I lost my money. Don't focus on the negative ones. You always need to focus on the positive ones. Maybe you can divert this happening into something like this. I lost the trade. Maybe that trade is not for me, and that trade won't give me a good profit. Maybe like that. And let's say this trade, I didn't win this trade, but that's okay, because there are other chances that I might win on my other trades. Always look at the brighter side whenever you visualize something. Or not only that, whenever something happened, or maybe just like what I mentioned earlier, it will be if you are already prepared, or if you already know how to handle things like that, it will be there will be fewer surprises than the usual surprises that you will be having in your trading career. All right, so next is traders can imagine reaching target goals and plan out the realistic ways to reach them. Just like what I mentioned earlier, I'll be setting this goal here. If I'm going to set my goal here, I will get that goal in just a year, in just a month, or maybe just today, maybe tomorrow, maybe later tonight, or maybe tomorrow morning. If you set the goal, if you set your goal that you really want to reach that goal, you need to make a plan out of it. You need to make a positive plan out of it. And let's be realistic sometimes. You need to make a realistic positive realistic plans for you to reach your goals. And you can't just imagine this plan and you don't know that if it's going to work or if you can do it. Set a plan where you can positively achieve it by believing on your efforts, or believing on your plans, or maybe believing in yourself that you can do it, because in reality you can just do it. Just tell yourself, I can do it with my own plans. If this is a justified win, if I'm going to try to understand this one, if I'm going to try to follow my plan, if I'm disciplined enough to do this plan, my target goal, my target goal, I will achieve that. I will achieve that target goal in no time. It's like that. That's creating a positive imagery. Your visualization, positive visuals, will help you to gain or not only to gain but to achieve your long-term plans, your long-term goals, and it will definitely help you not only mentally, emotionally, but also to your trading plans and your, of course, your business opportunities in the future. You can spot the potential opportunities with a positive thought. All right, so next is having a pre-trading routine. Having an effective routine is a great way to strengthen and condition your mindset before trading. All right, so how I'll be giving you some few tips about this. When you wake up in the morning, always tell yourself your mantra. And look at the mirror, look at yourself in the mirror, and always tell yourself that mantra that you wanted to manifest. For example, this is the mirror, I'm looking at it the moment I woke up. And I will tell myself that I will achieve my goal. I will be a millionaire. I will be a billionaire. I will be a successful trader. You know, talking to yourself in front of the mirror creates, boost your confidence. If your confidence is boosted enough, if your confidence is good enough for you to handle plans, your mindset when it comes to trading is will be better than the usual thing that if you just wake up in the morning, just do your usual routine that you just eat. Sometimes having a healthy mindset, having a healthy body is also required for you to have a positive and effective routine to strengthen and condition your mindset before trading. Because if you have a relaxed mind, and sometimes taking a break and relaxing your mind will also help you to avoid taking risky decisions. This is helpful when building like this one. This is helpful when we build our confidence and concentration before the trade. And yep, I will give you some tips for this one, and I can give you some ways for you to prepare yourself to create a useful routine before trading. Okay, first is take some time to review your strategy and visualize its execution. Always have a multiple visualizations. Why? We have this plan A, we have this plan B, we have this plan C, up to Z. So it's always better for you to have different visualizations when it comes to execution of your strategies. You need to study your strategies. You need to visualize your execution. You need to know what will be the problem or how can you prevent this problem in the future, right? All right, next is check all your digital tools or trading tools to ensure a productive trading session. All right, so sometimes in this technology era, we are already using digital tools or trading tools, using the computer, or maybe your tablet. I don't know what gadget you're currently using, but making sure that your trading tools or your digital tools is working properly for you to avoid inconvenience when it comes to your trading routine. All right, next is reach a stable and positive mental state to avoid emotional trading. Emotional trading is a no for a successful trader. Just like what I've mentioned earlier, if you decide, if you made a decision throughout due to your emotions, if your emotions affected your decisions, it might turn out not good, or maybe your plans will be or maybe your objectives will be negatively affected. So it is important for us to start your trading day with a positive mental state. You need to relax. Sometimes relaxing can prevent you from a bad decision. All right, so again, you need to reach a stable and a positive mental state to avoid emotional trading. And last but not least, you have to make sure that everything you need is there before the analysis or execution. All right, so you need to be prepared. You need to be focused. You need to see yourself that you can execute this plan in a good time. All right, so last is we have here, you need to enhance your mental qualities. So what are these mental qualities? Through mental preparation, traders can improve on mindset while increasing performance. To efficiently apply them into trading strategy, it is important for us to boost our mental qualities that can encourage excellent pre-trading mindsets. So here are the mental qualities that you need to improve. You need to improve this one. If you want to improve your game, if you want to level up on your game when it comes to your trading, you need these mental qualities. All of these. All right. So first is you need to be calm and focused, or maybe you need to be calm or focused under pressure. There are some people who cramps whenever they are under pressure. They can't handle some things. They don't know how to fix this one if something bad happened. If something bad happened in your plans, if your plan didn't go the way you wanted it to be, you need to be calm. At least you can think of something that can positively affect your plans. This is where our risk management skills comes in. All right. Next, second, you need to have a positive mindset. If you don't have a positive mindset, if you don't have that, it will be harder for you to set your goals. It will be harder for you to achieve your goals if you don't have the positive mindset. You cannot set goals if you don't have any positive mindset. Why are you setting this goal? Because I'm positive about it. Because I know that I can do it. Just like that. All right? Next is mental alertness. Okay, mental alertness is really important. Why? Here we have, if you encounter this certain problem, if you can encounter a certain problem and you weren't able to identify your current mental state, that is really a problem. It will not only affect your performance but also your plans in the future. Next is the self-confidence. Sometimes trusting yourself is a way for us to achieve our goals. You need enough self-confidence for you to strive, for you to gain something that will positively affect your objectives. And not only that, if you are confident enough with your plans, it'll be easier for you to achieve your goals. And last but not the least is for you to have or to control your emotions. You really need to control your emotions. Why? Because if you don't know how to control your emotions, it might affect not only your plans, not only your trading plans, maybe your connections with people, maybe your connection with yourself, and maybe your connection with your goal. We should have control when it comes to your emotions. It should be you are controlling your emotions, not your emotions controlling you. Yeah, we can blame you for reacting this way, but what happens after that reaction, after that emotion, action is not acceptable. So you should always control your emotions. All right, fifth is you need to build your confidence in your system. Okay, so building confidence in your system is an effective way or effective part of pre-trading preparation. Just like what I told earlier, if you are in a high pressure scenarios, having a confidence will allow you to stick to your trading plan without apprehensions. This will minimize the impromptu trading and encourage a more disciplined mindset. If you trust your plans, if you trust yourself, if you are confident to your plans, even if there are unnecessary things that happen in your current trading trading plan, or maybe while reaching your goals when it comes to your trading plans, if what we call this doing this impromptu trading might affect it for a long term, not only for a short term. not only for every after trade, but your future trades as well. Okay, so you should be more disciplined enough, and you should be confident enough to handle things like this. You need to be confident with yourself, you need to be confident with your plans, and you need to be confident with everything that you're saying. All right, next is 6, pick and practice mindset. So what is this? Here are the mindset that traders can use to achieve a positive state of mind prior to trade. You shouldn't be doing a trade if you don't have a positive mind. So putting importance on your mindset can efficiently execute your strategy and analyze data without disruptive emotions. You, your confidence, your positive mindset, and also if you know how to control your emotions, you can efficiently execute everything at your own pace. All right. And by putting importance on your mindset, you can efficiently do this mindset changes that you can apply. So if you want to change that mindset, if you want to practice a positive mindset, these are some of the mindset changes that I can share to you guys, and you can apply this for you to be a good and a successful trader. All right, so listen to this one. All right, so number 1 is, losses are normal, so rather than avoiding them, learn to keep them small. It is best to solve it by making baby steps than escaping. If you have a problem, if you are currently experiencing a problem in this one, or in this, or trying to achieve, instead of escaping from it, why don't you do something in just small achievements, small goals. Those small achievements will help you to win at the end. Just like what I've said, it is best to solve it by making baby steps and not escaping. Escaping will only give you another problem. All right? Next is 2nd, you should take a break after a big loss. That just like what I mentioned earlier, if you relax your mind to avoid the decision that will affect your long-term plans, this will give you a positive impact when it comes to your trading plans. All right? 3rd, we have these traders who always overtrade, but please stop overtrading. Just wait for the high probability setups that will give you 10 times more profits than usual. This is where we use our patience and discipline to avoid overtrading and unwanted risky decisions. You should here in the step, we really need to apply patience. We really need to apply discipline. If we don't have those two, you should quit trading. So always put in our mind, we need a patience, we need discipline for us to be a successful trader. All right? Okay, next is you need to set a long-term plan. Always measure success in the long term and not every after trade. And just like what I mentioned earlier, setting your plans for a long term may cost you some. May cost you a longer span of timeline. A longer span of time in your timeline, but this will give you a longer term, not only for today, not only for this week, but all throughout your trading career. All right. So last but not least, a trader should stay humble and should avoid overconfidence. Okay, so it's okay to build your confidence, but not overconfidence. Doing this can prevent you from risky decisions. And just like for example, I am going to place this trade, I am going to buy this one, I am going to sell this one, and I was too confident to do this step, but this step already affected me because I lost on this one, and I didn't have a good plan for this one because I was too confident to handle this. And you should stay humble. Maybe you know how to handle this one, but you should know how to where should your confidence you should use your confidence. Overconfidence will definitely create some chaos on your plans in the future. So just stay humble and yeah, avoid overconfidence. All right, so guys, successful trading has plenty to do with preparations and psychology. Other than having an effective trading strategy, traders must also prepare an excellent strategy for your mindset, I say. And by having mental preparations for positive or possible emotions and thoughts before trade, traders can have a better plan for ways on how to stay engaged and calm. You know, you are calm enough, if you are confident enough, not overconfident, okay? Confident enough, and also if you can control everything at your own pace, this will give you a good and a positive outcome when it comes to your goal, to your trading plans. All right, so to overcome any unforeseen trading scenarios, learn the best ways to mentally and emotionally prepare for a productive day of forex trading. And that's it for our today's stream. And today, just to give you a quick recap, so earlier we tackled the recent trading news that is currently happening, and it's really affecting the trends and conditions of the market today. And also, we discussed the keys for being a successful trader. So I gave you some tips, and I gave you some ideas how to prevent this, how to do this, and I hope that this keys that I discussed with you today will definitely help you to be a successful trader in the trading market, and also to help you on your decision making for your future trades. And for those who weren't able to catch our topic earlier for this live stream today, you can visit the Trading Star pages now to see more contents we have on TikTok and also here on our YouTube channel. So hoping to see you soon again here on Trading Star live stream, guys. So do we still have any questions there? If you have any questions, let me answer it for you. I will give you some few minutes and for us to answer this one. Yeah, so since all right, I think this live stream will give you a good it will be a good guide for you to be a successful trader today. All right, so again, hopefully I'll see you again soon here in Trading Star live stream, and thank you for watching, guys. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.